guys? It is Wednesday morning. I have been doing some painting without you guys, but we ground that out yesterday, sprayed some fresh paint on it today. There's no more of that sound deadening rust prevention type material on the frame there anymore, or anywhere in the wheel well. This car doesn't really need it. We're drifting with it. We maybe lost like a quarter of a pound when we removed that stuff. Kind of a crappy job getting it off. Either way, we stitch welded yesterday along here, so then it burned the paint on the opposite side of, we did it on both sides, so I had to paint a little section here where there was burnt paint. See where I'm going to be painting there where the stitches came through. So I did that on both sides of that strut. That's why that's all taped up, and then I painted the other wheel well. I'm going to paint this wheel well, paint this apron, paint this little triangle gusset, the factory gusset piece, and then it's on this side. So there's more painting to do on this side, and then kind of the firewall and stuff in there. So right now, I'm gonna finish masking. I use some of this because it's easy to just grab and cover over a brake line, or if you're painting a roll cage, use foil because you can just put it around. Or if you're painting the inside of your car and you don't want the roll cage painted, put this around your roll cage. You just grab it and it closes over and stays with no tape. Don't worry, we're time-lapsing over there for you with a GoPro, so we should have a little bit of everything for you. What I do is I paint it myself. I get DuPont gray, which is what color the chassis is on the car, in rattle cans for touch-up purposes. In this case, we're doing a lot of touch-up, but we could repaint the whole chassis maybe next season or something if we get time to take it that far down, or maybe the following, I don't know. That's what we're doing right now. It'll still look pretty presentable. It's all I can do, all I have time for, money for. Okay, I will start on this and I'll keep you guys updated as we get progress. I think we're gonna have Harut come through today and tomorrow and the next day, so he can help us put the motor in and do like these little things that we're doing right now. He can help with all that. He's not a fab guy, but he's a quick learner, so, and he's down to help, so he's coming down. So he'll be here shortly. Check this out, guys. It's looking normal again. I left the tip unpainted, so we're gonna be welding on that tip. And this part's unpainted because we're gonna weld a down bar right there, a little 1/2 incher, grab onto the main bar that runs along the front end. Overall, didn't come out too bad. Looks good. It's gonna be ready to party for St. Louis. Got a lot of work left. All right. Gotta go to the machine shop for a second and get some hardware, but I'll be back. Like I told you, he's here. I turned around and he just was here in the engine bay. I don't know, he just appeared. He's like that, huh, Harut? Let's see how far we can get on the Supra today, guys, with Harut's help. He even might come by in the next couple, whoa, it got dark there. He might be here for the next couple days as well. So that'll be a really huge help. Thanks, Harut. Of course. Tap fender's on. This piece is on. I get these pieces, this is a stock Toyota front bumper support type situation. Kind of rides along the front of this front bumper. And also it holds your headlights in place here and there, leaving only one section to mount a headlight over here on the back of the, or not the back, but like kind of the underside of the bar that runs across the front. So next up, I'm gonna make little arms that hold the fender kind of down here where we hold it there, so it lines up with the shape of the headlight good. So next up I'll do that with a little tab on it. Make 2 more little tabs that hold, that'll come off right here to hold the other last fender hole. And then we might even be able to put the motor in today because we got Harut here and we just don't want to waste any time. We got to move forward. Update, boys and girls, moms and dads, grandmas and grandpas. These pieces are in, all these pieces. And then we made some little things for Joe to work on. I made this real quick. It's a tab cut short with a nut welded on the back with an arm on it. This will reach out and grab the fender from the upper hoop. It'll reach out and kind of grab this area for that bolt right there. We're gonna have to put a bend in this. Luckily, it's easy to bend. We'll do that when the time comes. One for each side. We use these for the hood pin thing. And then we got some rubber for the hood pins. Then we have 2 tabs here that I welded nuts on. It'll go underneath here for the front fender hardware. Let me give you a better display. Hold on here. This will get welded onto the main hoop that runs around the front of the car for the fender. And that's all. Harut did a good job of setting up all those parts and installing them. Now we're gonna grab the hood, put it on. Probably need to put the strut tower or the hood struts on, I don't know. Yeah, we didn't put these part on, but I think we put the struts on the other car. So, no, we have another set. Okay, and then we'll put the hood on. And you guys will get to see because we're time lapsing over here.
Too much.
No.
Yeah, I saw that side of the reeds way too much.
Other way, Dan.
Wait, look at like.
No, it's way f***ing.
Oh, at the tip of like the 90-degree bend, like the 80-degree bend, yeah. Close to level, yeah. It's up now like an 1/8 on your side. I think you can
like
just.
a quarter difference.
The car will forever be a little bit tweaked, so we're trying to like cheat every line. So when you look at the car from head on, the headlights won't be misaligned or anything. So then we would almost want to do headlight tabs back there, and just like close the hood and hold the headlight in.
Yeah.
First, because then that can allow us to yank this down to find the placement for the other tab. And then, or should we just say this is a resting spot and hold the headlight in there and be like, yeah, we have room to land it right there and do that first? Okay. Alright, there's a Lexus box. Harut can film this. So pretty. Alright, boys and girls. We did it. Today was a long day, but Harut's been here for 17 hours. Not really, but he's been here like 10 or 9 or something. There's the Supra. We had to put a freshie on there. We got a little crinkle in the hood. No big deal, it's a drift car. It actually is a big deal, but we're gonna wait till next year to replace that hood. It looks happy, huh? Looks like it wants to go like 130 and throw it in. Yep. We just need to put this guy in there. He's still underneath there. We'll put him in soon. Probably not tomorrow, but Friday. Maybe tomorrow if we're lucky. What day is tomorrow? Thursday, yeah. So if we worked good tomorrow and good again on Friday, I think it'll be running on Saturday and driving.
Excited?
Yeah. Harut's the man. He came down from LA area, like Pasadena, and he's been helping out. And he's learning shit. Yeah.
It's an experience.
Yeah, it's good to have him.
Yeah.
And then there's Joe. Just Joe. Alright, good night everyone. See you tomorrow.